Hi guys, what's up? I am Alvarez Rochelle B from BS Ed Filipino 1A. So for today's video, we'll be talking about the three philosophers that I choose. The first one is Socrates. His famous line is know yourself. Socrates emphasized the importance of self-awareness. He believed that understanding our strengths and weaknesses is crucial for personal growth. This has prompted me to be more mindful of my own emotions, reactions, and tendencies. By recognizing my limitations, I've been able to work on areas where I need to improvement while also celebrating my unique strengths. Socrates has also instilled me in a sense of responsibility for my own actions. He believed that we are ultimately responsible for our choices and their consequences. This realization has encouraged me to be more accountable for my words and deeds, striving me to live in alignment with my values. Socrates' perspective has empowered me to embark on a lifelong journey of self exploration. It's a journey that requires constant questioning, introspection, and a willingness to challenge my own assumptions. It's a journey that, while sometimes challenging, has been incredibly rewarding, leading me to a deeper understanding of myself and my place in the world. Hi guys, what's up? It's me again. So the second philosophers that I choose is Immanuel Kant. His famous line is respect for self. Respect for self is a powerful concept that has deeply resonated with me throughout my life. It's not just a philosophical idea, it's a guiding principle that has shaped my values, decisions, and overall approach to life. So, respect for self extends to treating myself with the same respect and consideration I would give to others. Respect for self also implies a commitment to personal growth and development. It's about recognizing my potential and striving to become the best version of myself. This has motivated me to pursue knowledge, challenge myself intellectually, and continuously learn and grow. It's about embracing a lifelong journey of self improvement. Kant philosophy has also helped me to cultivate self compassion when I make mistake or face setbacks. I remember that I am still worthy and respect and kindness. So, what's up again, guys? It's me. So, the third philosophers that I choose is John Locke. His famous line is personal identity. Personal identity has been a fascinating and thought provoking exploration for me, prompting me to ponder the very essence of who I am. While it's a complex philosophical idea, has resonated deeply with my personal experiences and understanding of self. Locke argued that personal identity is defined by the continuity of consciousness, the awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and experiences over time. This resonates me with deeply feel a strong sense of connection to my past self, remembering my childhood memories, past experiences, and the person I was. This continuity of consciousness gives me a sense of personal history and a framework for understanding my current self. Locke emphasized the role of memory in maintaining personal identity. He believed that our memories are crucial for recognizing ourselves as the same person over time. This has made me more aware of the power of memory in shaping my sense of self. That's all for today's video. Thank you.